My sister, you have to do.
They're making it work. Yeah, talk, you know.
Yeah man, cool man. Yeah man, Jella make it work today, you hear that?
Yeah.
You see me, control the video, you see me?
Yeah, video lady.
You have video lady, you have juicy. Cool man.
Look. Look who just touched down. In a trench town. Is it? I'm here giving out food to the elders then.
Giving food today?
Yes.
Where's my food? I'm also an elder.
The elder? Alright then. Well.
Kino is right here, guys.
Right here. Me no gone no way. No now. Yeah, I see him here. John.
You wanna feel like a female?
Yeah. You wanna beat it? What should beat it for?
Tell me. Don't tell me no me. No nobody. What is it? What the beat over? Eh?
That should beat your fan.
No, yeah. Talk.
Come here, the dog.
Up there?
Yeah.
Anytime tell each other then. Can't tell me, yeah.
So where you go do? Where you go do?
You see Tom a Pete the tick. Me and Arthur, you see Tom a Pete the tick?
Yes.
How Tom a Pete the tick? Tell me.
Come and beat the dog.
In for that lick. This is all for that lick.
Nah, for that lick. I'm just extra eat.
Later, you're making a mango extra eat and finish it.
Alright.
Getting on the east, yeah. That's the East Indian, extra eat.
Extra eat.
Nothing sweet like the Indian, right?
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, today is a busy day, so welcome guys, welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica. You know the thing about already. So you know, today we're cooking for the elders them, you know, cooking for the elders them today. Today meal sponsored by, we have Likuyu, you know, so we have to give a big shout out to Likuyu, Nutsy, White Van, you know, from Church Avenue, Brooklyn, New York, you know, from Church Avenue. So big up on yourself and thank you so much for sponsoring the meal today for the elders then, you know. Likuyu, big up yourself. Nutsy, big up yourself. White Van, you know, from Church Avenue, Brooklyn, yeah, you know. But today look at the place, it's jam-packed with car, busy. Look at you, so this is what we have to go through when you come into this place. Busy with car, I couldn't even get no parking, you know. I couldn't get no parking at all, so look at you know, so I have to do this errand, I have to go get the plates them and the park and everything go right. Nutsy, pick up yourself man, you know. White Van, Church Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. So touchdown. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try over by Brooklyn supermarket and see if they sell the To save them sell the 3 compartment.
I'm out here.
Alright, so 3 compartments. No 3 here. So this is the one that we are looking for. 3 compartment. You know, 1, 2, 3, 1 for rice, 1 for vegetable. You know, so. Okay, so at least 2 compartment. 3. Okay, so. Napkins. Alright. So I'm gonna work with this. Okay, so I'm gonna work with this one. Yeah, at least so this is 50. So the quickest line out. Express. Alright, so here I've got the plates them. I got the plates them now, so you know it goes already. So I'm gonna head back down in Trenchtown. You know, so that's it. So literally I have to walk to Brooklyn supermarket to get all of these stuff. Right here. Trenchtown, home of reggae music. One love, Bob Marley said. So that's what we're spreading in and around, you know, Jamaica. One love, nothing but love and love alone. You know, so I just want to give a huge shout out to all my subscribers, you know, to all my subscribers that I met while I was here in Alpha Tree, you know. Thank you so much for watching, you know, because I met so much of them while I was in videoing. So I want to giving a big shout out, big up yourself. You know, thank you so much for watching Kina Life in Jamaica. And you know, it's been the world when meeting you guys, you know, so thank you so much, you know. So we give thanks, man. I remember whenever you're watching, put the thumbs up, show the love, spread the love, you know, give the love, you know. So on my way to Trenchtown. So I'm gonna say today meal is sponsored by Nutsy. Big up yourself, Nutsy. You know the thing go already. Wife and big up on yourself. You know the thing go from Church Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. You know the man them big up yourself. Look at you. I'm gonna say, man, look at you. You get look big later. You know, big up look at you. Cause them say you look big later. You understand? So yeah, man, big up yourself, man. Look big, look at you. You know, so look at you. You know, name look at you anymore, and name look big. You see me? So big up yourself, look big anywhere you're there. You know, aka look at you. You know, Nutsy, big up yourself, same way, white van. You know, from Church Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. You know, the thing, a worship place that, you know, New York, not once but twice. You know, so it's not a clear sky today. As you can see, it's overcast. You know, it's overcast today, but you know, it's not gonna rain. You know, because I predicted that. No rain today. No rain today. I don't think it's gonna rain. I think it's gonna look exactly how it is. You know, without any water dropping from the sky. You know, no rain today. Just keep it like that. You know, look on them bad driving and now. Turn the road in a 5 lane. Turn the road in a 5 lane. 3-year drive big vehicle. You know, say a Lamborghini in a. So we're heading to Churchtown right now. So yeah, so hopefully I predict right. No rain today, just overcast. You know, I never check the weather. You know, now I watch the weather watch. So I'm just making my weather plans today. You know, so today the hell of them have to eat in a overcast weather. No rain. And one thing I can't take with these Jamaica when they do road work, them not fix it all, them just patch it and gone. Patrol. Hey. Listen to the pain when I'm on voice. How many tears am I have to cry? Only Jah alone. I'm a shield on the buckle when me step past Psalms 35. Cold-hearted people, them see my glory, them not know my pain. Colors.
Bless up. Just wake up, you know.
Just a wake up.
No, I wake from this morning.
There's a colors. So I saw you wake up looking.
We is a color, you know, sleep with color.
When you wake looking like this colors.
That's what I'm saying.
How much people want to wake look? Gloria. How many people want to wake look like that? Eh? Jeez. Guys, look how colors wake up.
I want to big up my extended family, them. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, colors they leave and out, you know. Never leave out extended. And plus all of those people who came down to Jamaica and they saw me at the airport.
Yeah.
They gave me a little tip. Colors love us so much. After, yo, clean up the jacuzzi, oh my gosh. Yeah, you know how long I've been sleeping, bro?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I wake up, drink some party this morning and was fooling around, and then me said to Chinaman, mom, say, you know, I'm heading back inside because me did buy one food key, you know. Just waking up, bro. Yes, man. So
and look, and this is how you wake up in colors.
Yes,
Are your pajama, you have on?
Alright, you want to see me in my blue and white a little more? But me I go wait here a little more.
Colors is something else. Alright, colors.
Yes, man.
You know the thing, bro. Alright. Yeah. Alright, guys, so today is the day. Where am I? Where am I? In the kitchen cooking chicken. Perfect.
You're on time, man.
On time.
Yeah.
Them say it's a on time God, you know. The God is on time. Antoinette. Where it's been a while and don't see you in the kitchen.
There's a cook down that thing of it because I see them cooking chicken, you know?
Yes.
Official.
Oh, so they said the gravy you're making.
Yeah, I'm not too put enough chicken in there, but you don't know.
Yeah.
Fry and cook down Esco Beach style.
Aye. Esco Beach. Another thing where we shade it. You know, we have a big up Nutsy. Big up Nutsy.
Big up
Nutsy, and you have liquor you, big up liquor you.
Nutsy, look at you.
And white van, you know.
White van.
Yeah.
It's a blessings, you know. Love one another, you know, say blessings are everybody then after do you create this.
Yeah.
So you don't know, they are represent.
Yeah.
Now that's a deal with it right away, me and prefect deal with it right away from Kino say oh yeah, you see it?
Yeah,
so it's a blessings, man.
It's a blessings, man.
You see it?
And where me trim?
Yeah, man, different image, man. Young.
Young now, young, where me trim.
Different image.
Hey, where me trim off him lot. Yes, guys, so look at you, big up yourself. You know, Nutsy, big up on yourself. You know, White Bomb from Church Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. You know, we are prefect here. making it work, you know. You have to have the prefect in the classroom to make sure so the student them understand what's going on, you know.
Because we don't know. I want dream team, you know. And without we make it work, you know, nah go work.
Sure,
we don't know. You know, don't do film part. So it's all about we know to play our part.
Yes, making it work.
So
Teamwork them.
make it work. Because the teamwork make the G work.
Teamwork them said, you know.
Don't know. Big up.
Little you.
To little you, you know.
Nutsy.
And Nutsy.
You know, white van.
White van.
Is even from Church Avenue.
From Church Avenue.
Brooklyn, New York.
New York. Big up on yourself to make this possible. To the elders them, you know.
Yes,
I don't know. You have to look out for the elders them. Said you. Because them go there first.
Yes.
Then we. So we have to do the right thing.
And
so
then
not
say and look at you.
Look at you.
Yeah.
And the whole works. Bless upon yourself. Enough thanks. Enough respect.
I know original Trenchtownian them as well too, you know. Them are original Trenchtownian too, you know.
Yes, I am.
You know, and them a see the good work we are going with, and them fall in for them work as well too, you know. So big up in yourself, look at you know, you think of them are original Trenchtown height same way. One family same way, you know. Big up in yourself, look at you Nutsy, and them say white van from Church Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. Worship not there to the worship gone on the road, you know.
Can you have play a film part?
Yes.
I say good. Man out there we have to do 15 film.
Yeah. You know the thing already, because the worship place them coming from, you know. New York them there in a worship place, and say, you know, if the worship is there, whoa!
Yes, I worship
twice.
Man will carry twice.
Yeah.
2 hard. Well, we have 1 hard. You can't carry film 2 hard.
Yeah.
Worship alone have 2 hard. Big up to worship said we.
Yeah.
Don't know. Enough love my people.
Every time.
Big up on yourself.
Every time.
Bless up.
Oh yeah, boom. Boom is boom. The weather hot.
I tell you how man.
The weather hot.
Work with it.
Yeah.
They are going to do the work till they come in.
Jackson, don't drop it in a Jackson. That will cook back over again. Jackson, that will cook back over again, Jackson. Ready? Ready. See the chicken and everything fry. Nice and peas is ready.
Nice and peas, man. From Carl, wake up in the morning.
Yeah, early. See there? Pretty.
I'm looking at her, come down, you see?
Chicken is pretty and we're ready already. So just need to get the mixed vegetable, you know, and the water. I will know say we on the go. So that's what we need to get, you know. Chicken them looking pretty wormy. So that's the mixed vegetable now I get now, you know, and get the water. And we're good to go. Early pot. You know, you think of them getting it well early today, well surely. You know, look at you, I will call it little big, you know. So later on you look big, you know, you look big more. You know, big up in yourself, see me, Nutsy, you know, white van, Brooklyn, New York, you know, everything goes already. We in the house, Trenchtown.
One love.
One love. Little you. You might get little big later. Yeah, little you and nutsy as well too. And you know the thing go little you and nutsy. Big up in yourself, white van, you know, from Brooklyn. You know, Church, maybe you know Church Avenue? Yeah. Oh, so that's where I come from. That's the person who put on the food at Trenchtown Heights, you know.
Yeah.
Look at you, yeah.
You.
And nutsy.
Only for thanks and respect, you look at you.
Yeah.
When we go
Eat some of
Brooklyn,
your chicken, you know, you see me? Only for thanks.
when we go Brooklyn, we work at 9 to 4
Only for
and
respect.
church.
Oh.
Work spot.
And nutsy. So them say white van. As also, you know, Church Avenue, Brooklyn, New York.
Carry on! Get out the rain! Make my sister have the game.
They're making it work. Yeah, talk, you know.
Yeah man, cool man. Yeah man, Jella make it work today, you hear that?
Yeah.
You see me, control the video, you see me?
Yeah, video lady.
You have video lady, you have juicy. Cool
Yeah.
man, juice. Vegetable man, rice man, yeah man, you see me?
Yeah.
You hear that?
Kitchen, we make it
Right,
work.
in the kitchen we make it work today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't know that Jenna
How this? Jenna they run the video today, you know. You don't know that, what go on right now. You see me?
What go on that
And a normal thing today. Food in a plate. Food in a belly. Baby.
You have to have video or something.
Yeah man, you fight, you come like your mother.
Yes, my fight though.
I want to go on Geno's. No, no, see nothing.
Touch the AC, man.
Okay, I tell my man.
Touch screen.
Like the iPhone. So put in some vegetable, you know what I mean?
Yeah man, vegetable in a plate man.
Red, green and
Red,
gold.
green and gold. Right, Shelly. It's not Shelly, this a baby.
Yeah.
Rastafari colors. You'll have one and not the drink that work with it.
Yeah. Sit down the Sam, you can't stay in the kitchen and watch food. Your mother not grow yourself.
Some flu.
Oh, you want something for
So
you?
make you wash your pot.
Let me tell you fellow, go there so, run go up and run come down. I go sit down back at the gate, go down and share in the kitchen house. Tell your mother say she want a bag of bag juice.
So make you wash your pot then, Sam. You want that to do? Yeah, no, I'm not here answer.
You nah do that, put him a ball for her. You nah do that, you wash your pot you out? Yes or no? You wash your pot them? Video.
You have to start from
The man want to take home work. The youth want to take home good work.
The food get some for the winter. I got and them out you can tell.
More video.
See me a video here, you're the on it. See video. See them a video here. So we have a video from a video here already.
Want to take over your job, Jella?
Eh.
Yeah. I should get locked up.
Oh, Miss Angela.
It's a stammer pass through.
Yeah. Said we, you know, clocks from foot clean.
Yeah.
Shine. I said, boy. Stammer. Yeah, man.
Long keep up in standard.
Yeah, babes. Yeah. Alright. Alright, elderly. Elderly.
We'll make it work.
Work. After work. Elderly. After work. Right to you. Coming to you, yeah?
Alright, Jella, the video personnel.
Video personal today. Sounds like that, I don't know why.
It's crying. It's crying. It's crying.
More video.
You want to see the video?
No, me want video. Me want video.
You want video?
The first punch had no effect. However, when the second punch hit the teeth, it completely broke. The company claims
I say a video.
it would never break.
Does not say nothing.
Something shocking happened.
Oh, pussy.
You know if say something
It is often called unbreakable.
I want to do things that you know. Yeah.
Sure, Jella.
look up in the sky.
Yeah.
The first punch.
Everything on the sound is a falafel song.
Now, Jella, you have video baby half.
Yeah.
You have video baby chest.
Take it from me.
You see? You say you want
That video, yo.
I say the video. You have to get up on video and know the video.
Alright now?
Alright now. Alright guys, so see that food, see that share. Pure things, really. Your video now, right?
Had no effect. However, the second punch.
Gloria, show me first. Way far. Yes, way far. You know, I got out here, man. Love me, oi.
Love you, oi.
Love me, oi. Love me.
Chloe? Wagwan. What at you? Eh? Bibi. Oh. You're good.
Shine over. Don't go, Gloria. Bring your food for you.
Gloria, Wagwan.
You have food for you, see that, yeah?
Let me get female, yeah? Alright then.
Yeah.
Blow me. Fishy, fishy, fishy. It's a Winston. Look. Look who just touched down. In a trench town. Is it? I'm here giving out food to the elders then.
Giving food today?
Yes.
Where's my food? I'm also an elder.
The elder? Alright then. Well.
Kino is right here, guys.
Right here. Me no go no way. No now. Yeah, I see him here. And guys, look, these here as well too.
Yeah, I am back.
She's
So
back.
guys, check out Kino Life in Jamaica, okay?
Yeah. Remember, check it out, check it out. Don't look it out, just check it out. And big up on yourself. All on a nice, clean self, like what Dida said. Big up on a nice, clean self. You know? Big up on yourself, you know, whenever.
So today is giving food to the. I could have helped you, but hey.
Yes,
I
but
think
you're
I
late.
have some work. Oh, you done?
No, we're giving out now. We finished cook, now we're giving it out now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so that's
Alright,
what we're doing now.
Just got started.
Just started.
Alright.
So this is the second
I'm
person.
also elder.
Yeah, so she's an elder. So today she'll get her elder food today. Elder D.
Hey guys,
Alright then, so let me go around here and come back. Elder D. Come son. So we have Psalms, come, you say you want something to do. Come, you got something to do now. You really get something to do. No, in the community. So Winston. Winston. Nash? Oh, Nash. Oh, you asleep?
Yeah, I'm working all night.
Sorry. Go on. So Winston.
Yeah, man.
Can you put it down?
Thank you very much.
Yeah, man. Alright then.
Alright,
We ain't done no Khalid, man. You should go in. You know how them man. Go on, if you're not fall. And if you're not fall. Man, you're sick. Then you must say go in. Yeah. Jack the Ripper. Jack the Ripper. Banana.
One kilo.
One banana. Yeah, I want a mango as well too. Yeah, please. When time we finish.
You name what your name in a genius.
Ripper himself.
Yeah man, I love man, you know it man, kilo. One team.
One team, you know.
One team. One heart to all that we have to.
That is that.
One love.
Alright, go on straight.
Yeah man, do what you have to do my brother.
That is it.
Yeah man, love all the way.
All the time. Come in, Esther, bring the water. Oh. Yeah? Right. Are the four Joan.
And
Tumpa. Mr. Mark, you call Mr. Sure four? Bobby, Joan, Dati, Tumpa, and well.
Mr. Mark.
And four. Alright. Dati! You know what call her, Sam? It's Dati. Yeah. No. Baby. Yeah.
Look, that's you're gonna see Vans the birthday.
Evening, Miss Daniel.
Church. The pastor.
Well, so I'm sure your father come here run, go and let your job.
But the road they get fire.
You get fire.
No, when I get
You get fire. You run like your duty.
Here, now. Here, I'm Maggie Grand the phone. People are going up.
Your duty.
Grand. John. Grand.
Yeah.
Psalms.
Put the pot in front of him.
Not tell me, man.
Bobby! 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 Come!
Run out of breath. Pure water. Oh, no, I see why you know the song them. No, I see why you know the song them. Run out of breath. Hey, Gary, live life, man.
I hear about it now.
Yeah.
House well clean.
See that?
Sam, some people with it. Yes, sir.
Yeah, watch the man well relaxed.
Now they come here. Leave it to me.
Joan and Gary, man, well relaxed. Why, you wish the rain still have fall, no? Esther, yeah.
One. Take out the top one.
One.
Two of them she want, you know.
Sam's like, yeah, what?
And thanks for the food. Big up green team, one team.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can't stop me from get the food. I
Yeah.
can't fight me down. I don't fight people too
Can
much.
circle up there? Yeah? Can circle up there? Thumper. Thumper. See? I tell you, you can't work for long. Yeah. What? Sam's can't work.
Superman is back.
Thumper there. That's what me always see, so. Thumper.
Yes.
Yeah, clean man.
Nah, man. Dirty man. Dirty man. The dirty man. Dirty man. Just way I get it to me clean. That's how it's there.
Alright.
Yeah.
Always working.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So you know what I'm saying? We continue giving out, you know. It's only just started. So now we're gonna head to the golden age, you know, drop off their food, and then we give out the rest. You know, so that is the mission right now. Yeah. Bring 2 water.
Step up that them 2 gone out of this world.
But them stay there now?
Night team, the palace
You do you pass him?
grandchildren can come see.
Yeah.
I said no.
Papa,
See what I give her.
Papa.
The near there. What? Mr. Clark.
Papa, we carry food for you. Eh?
Yeah. What? Yeah, that's even. What? Come here and get some charlie. What you want to keep doing now?
Right here, food
Yeah.
and water.
To be bread, I guess.
Remember them?
Yeah.
They carry them come tomorrow.
Oh,
I know your people in here. I think just get in public and check it. You know?
Oh.
Tomorrow they will come back.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, you can a lady there at the floor.
On the floor.
I want down here, sir. Come.
No bad name there, sir.
I in there, sir.
Two parties there.
Down here, same say.
Come down here, sir. Yeah.
Mama.
Miss Carmen. Miss Carmen. Miss Carmen.
I'll put it down in there.
Yeah.
Let's put it down in there. Yeah.
She gone to her here.
Changing lives, one gallon at a time. Victoria Mutual Money Transfer Services. Real money transfer for real people. And Spectrum Insurance Brokers. Setting digital system.
I'm done, sir.
Go by top.
Yeah, bring it around us.
Five.
When you sleep, put it on film like when you sleep then. You see my get up there. Bring out food for you. You want the food now?
You want the food now, Popsy? When if my earring?
Put it in my hand and say this then.
Food.
So I'm going to sit down on you?
You want me on the wall or something?
You can't eat like that.
Yeah. Yeah, can't put it on fire.
Point table?
Yeah.
Point table. You can't eat like that.
Yeah, give me a shot in front of bedroom. That's all it is.
Two something. When you got one around?
Yeah, boy, no, sir.
Am I resting there?
Rest in there?
No, man, I put them there.
Oh, that's fine.
Where that? And next person in the front. Yes.
So Miss Peggy there?
Miss Peggy, she there front. No more yard.
Mama is here.
Come, we went there front. And the next man there, two more.
Over there, son. You there, fine hour.
Yeah.
There's how much have in hand?
One.
One?
Yeah.
And just take up one more.
One more, two one. And I use one.
They get six separate here.
Okay. Oh, 6 left back.
Yeah, same.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Maybe you have one food in our hand?
Yeah, I two food around there, sir.
Next one will be on. Yeah, see that beer there.
My food.
2 food, 3 watermelon.
Oh, so that's why I want the shot. Put this there. Okay. Your food is in your room, yeah?
Inside?
Yeah, it's in your room.
Okay, darling. Papa? Papa? Share food.
Shall I sleep? It's Peggy. Oh, go on. You sick? Oh, you admit? Oh. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. Alright, no problem, yeah? Yeah.
Come on, Auntie Peggy there.
So she don't feel well.
What do I?
So she's sick.
What do you?
Big Venus.
Princess!
To us. Princess go down the road.
Prince! Prince!
Princess not there? Oh, she asleep.
Name Princess?
Prince! Oh, go on.
Let me watch you do.
Come along. Oh, the pad. Princess, you were sleeping. I wake you up. Sams?
Yeah.
You hear the voice? Eh?
When Princess took me, when Toby took me a teeth down there, you know, Princess turn up here down there.
Princess son?
Yeah.
Princess have son?
Yeah.
Eh? What's her name?
Princess,
Princess son name?
Yeah.
We bring your son come look for you now.
Yeah. You know? My daddy, I feel a teeth down. Princess tip appear torn, me and Oma, me and baby. I'm an ear torn appear. When me appear, when Princess appear torn, when I lick. I mean a big up.
Hello, your son come look for you when the money there.
Just that.
Me up me take from the thought me take your money, me take money from till it from my mom. I'm not money. I'm telling him, say, tell him.
See Sam's here, Prince.
Yeah, me see.
See Sam's bring food for you.
So Sam's wanted money.
Come, Sam's going to give you a daddy.
Daddy. It's a daddy.
See your son, I said to you.
Oh, yeah, give me that. Nothing to give.
Yeah, me did. Me have 50.
Oh, the 50 dollar.
I'll take the 50 with me.
I take the 50 dollar. Oh?
Your son, I give you water then. So we have to say to him.
Esther. Yeah, go outside.
See, Princess here one day. So,
See baggy. No.
you know, say you don't care about your picnic. My baby, you want to hear about you.
Yeah. Every minute say you want to see Sam. Sam, your father call you.
Sam, pass the bag.
You mad? Sam, your father call you. What was that to you? Go to your father.
On the mic.
Oh, you big him up on the mic.
The mic, no. Yeah.
Oh, baby. Let me just say, Princess son a player. And then big up Sam on the mic.
And you team pick up.
Oh, you big up baby too?
When we there over the October shop.
Oh, you big her up too? Okay.
I'm big up baby. I'm tell you, no call I say, we tell her and tell her, lick one neck down to teeth. No, come on, do it. Baby.
Hello, Princess, I got make her juice.
No, but yeah, teeth, done here. Done there. Yeah. Oh, why?
Well on the Princess, what is going on? You know, tell them they're making juice tomorrow.
Man, them can go and pick man.
Listen, the ladies making juice tomorrow.
But later them spring up.
Is it my later and spring up, man?
Up at the dreadful football.
Hey.
Watch out. Come to me.
Hey, no more. The man want me call cherry juice tomorrow.
3 pack I got another bag.
Tina.
Yeah? You bake me up too?
Yeah,
Eh?
I say big up me there done October and I say big up tea, you know.
Oh, you mean? And big up baby.
Yo. But yeah, me see, you turn liquid. Turn shot, wait.
Yeah? Oh, you mean? Big up yourself, man. The man big me up.
Look, I'm all you
want a woman?
Yeah, wine pan a woman down there down at over shop.
You want a woman?
Yeah.
Feel
do this?
Is it feel good?
I'm that wine pan baby, you know. Baby not come over, you know.
Oh, she not come
my
over?
town, you know.
Oh.
My town front, you know.
Oh, so in front.
Right
wine
at the
pan.
shop, you know. Right at October shop there.
Yeah.
Wine pan.
Yeah.
Me tell you, no call her, say tell her, you know, tell her.
And she not tell her.
You know, in 10 one Facebook video to my phone, what am I going to do me?
Eh? What you say I got to do, baby?
But that from link me. She don't want that.
She don't want to link you. She'll go run the thing down.
No, yeah.
Come take it now. It's time to the back to school time now.
Me told you something, man.
You told him something?
Baby, what's that?
Where the school?
No, I'm back to school money. School fee, checklist, uniform, shoes, bag. All of them they stand one.
So,
me go buy a tag. Like, me buy one I taxi them like big, like
yeah.
Run and buy a taxi and buy a and buy a key and run taxi for me and make money. So what not fear?
Just give Sam the money.
So what drive it?
When my eyesight come back, I see. When my eyesight come back,
yeah.
Yeah, dog.
So you let me drive it?
Baby, I put a man in your car.
Two.
I'll let answer me now. When the baby drive it?
Me too. Baby no baby tired, you know, but
you still no answer. Why I make baby drive? Baby
no want drive it.
She want drive it.
Yeah, fear one.
There's a phone themselves at home.
Alright, then you're Prince. Can we go in now? No man, see her there. You for call her, baby.
Yes.
You for call her. Baby, the man talk to you, baby.
What am I saying?
Right, you know.
But me have to go and put on for Sam's back to school. It's a back to school time. I not now go on. I now work. And you now give me nothing so that you save it. Come.
I pick
Sam's gonna call though.
Your father call you, shake him.
Damn.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
Eh?
Eh?
What you say?
Damn.
You feel like a female.
Yeah.
Your mother beat it? What she beat it for?
Tell me. Come tell me, no about it. What is it? What's the beat over?
She beat your fan.
No, yeah. Talk.
Come here, lick the dog.
Up there.
Yeah.
Anytime to lick you then. Can't tell me, yeah.
So where you go do? Where you go do?
You see Tom I pick the tick.
After being a stick, you soon know.
Me and Arthur, you see Tom I pick the tick.
Yes.
How Tom I pick the tick? Tell me.
Come and be the dog.
Him for that lick. Did you who for that lick?
Dog for that lick?
Him a fuffy. Do a fuff him. Why am I fuffy? Why you a fuff him for? Him no fuff him. Leave him alone.
Leave him alone.
Stop lick him. Tom, look, Tom now. Look, you see a Mackay there. You see a Mackay for him. You see a Mackay for him. And my one, yeah. One woman take me, so one woman, one look at us.
Hey, Sams, come here.
One look at us, me see. And look at us, tell myself to tell.
It's a giant.
Say, you are lick him. Stop lick him, stop. Lick him, yeah, can't, baby.
Baby, never lick man, baby, yeah.
Stop lick him.
Stop lick him.
Mackay at na light, at na paper film, yeah. Stop lick him, man.
Sam say your father favor, now you grow favor prince.
No, lick him. Ain't lick him.
Yeah.
Pee. Me and me pee. Anyway, me see you.
Yeah.
Stop lick him. No, lick him then.
Make sure you say like how you say me not for lick him. Make sure book list, school fee, uniform, bag and shoes buy. Ready for September morning.
More plum.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So alone me for set to your buy.
Alright then, Prince. Prince, look how more than you know. Later.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So, and lick him, Sam's I'll come tell you.
And you will tell me.
Me will tell you?
Yeah.
Me? So you want me get in a trouble?
You will pin him come.
Alright, I bring him come, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, Princess. Alright. Me don't want to get in a family affair. Not at all. Me I look where I go on. Yeah. Four. Esther, come for two of them. You want the water already, Jella?
You got the pot?
Scanner. See my live good.
Wake up, scanner.
So your fan want wash, man. That's you're not getting a breeze from the fan. Yeah? The fan want wash. See there's too much dirt tonight. Watch it out, yeah.
So Scanner sleep in the dark as? Sleep in your glass?
Where give more food for?
Oh,
You sleep in your glass, Scanner?
You want trouble the man?
Philip.
Philip.
Alright then, big up.
Philip and the children.
Yeah. Scanner sleep in them glass. Alright then, you Philip? See you for then.
Yeah.
Alright, big up. Alright, Bridget. Bring one come here, Jella.
Put it down in that one for your friend. Put one in for...
Oh, we need that one.
Esther! Come in that one.
Hello. Your friend, she's not, is a neighbor. Your neighbor. Where is she? Okay, we're going to leave her food for her as well, yeah?
Okay.
So, one for you and one for her.
Okay.
Alright then.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Oi.
Fine. Well, go on. Miss Value there. Upper candy. Okay, yeah, fair. Oh. So the money in a bank now.
A training you come from.
Money in a bank, man. Money in a bank, man. Alright.
Watch out. Boom, get on this.
Upper candy. Liquor.
Yeah.
Candy. Miss Valerie. Miss Valerie. Outside. Kino. Food to bring for Valerie. Alright. Boom, that one. Alright, yeah? Yeah, man. Well, like cook up something now.
No, I know. I said to cook, but...
Mr. Sir? No. Just a password of a food for you. You're right. I like your tile. I like your tile. Yeah, just make a quick fix, yeah? Alright, take it easy, yeah?
You're really a mother's child, you. We do one. Did I say around punch and give it? Where we do one?
Why, ma? Alright, ma. Boss. Yeah, woman, cool, huh? Yeah. Yeah, Uncle, good.
No, I'm not going to touch off the food there. I want that.
Oh, eh?
Yeah, man, the food the car and the walk. You put those in.
Mama!
How they, how
Go on.
they so they put the foot.
Take care one time.
They can walk and take a walk.
Oh.
I mean, that's a fair help with out and on. So, me, teacher, who about this one?
Really?
Oh.
You know along?
Me want to put us a shoot.
Yeah, so right is.
Me go that kind of title. So, after them to try get better. I find a come right as
Piano.
Yes, sir, yeah. I thought you know what time ago. Yes, sir.
Good I eat, man. Just give him food, you know. You go say, go over amigo and him cousin will give them food. Yeah?
So, you know what?
Why, I don't know what them for say. I don't know what for say.
Hey, my daughter when yesterday, Miss Jim tell myself to buy the turmeric,
Yeah.
black pepper, and the ginger, and the greater black. Later in the night.
Him get it. Okay, so when you drink it, just see if it work then.
Yeah, all right.
Because
Yeah?
the amount of cream I buy for them muscle.
Cream not gonna work.
Nah, I don't know.
Internal thing that I go on.
All right, that's okay.
Yeah. Internal.
That's not one time, sir.
Yeah.
No one, sir.
Alright.
Okay, sir.
Mama.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
Alright, yeah. Bite to that?
Yeah, man.
Wow.
Oh, man.
Yo, come boom.
Are you going out morning going?
Yeah, dog, let him drop.
Yeah.
Boom, pull on there. You know them. Yeah, you know them when I love the bike drop so I don't lie. Drop a bicycle one time, I don't want to ride another bicycle, much less bike. Drop off one, yes. Hello? She's up on the bed. Mommy? Hello? Hello? Mommy? Sleeping? Come put this up on the stool. Hello? I put on food for you, yeah? I put it on the stove right here.
Yes.
Yes, sir? Yes, sir. Okay, with the water as well, yeah? Alright. Yeah. Him don't even having him hearing yet.
Later, yeah.
How him hearing yet there? Hearing yet there?
Nah. Yeah, me why though. Me no why buy no for the Jamaica yet much up, you know. I'm not feel pleased for that, you know. I'm wanting to go back out that side, you know.
Alright.
Yeah, go on in there.
Gone.
She gone?
Yeah, she gone. Yeah. Alright guys, so that's it for today. You know the thing goes already. So we give thanks to look at you. Look up yourself, look at you. Nazi, you know, white van. Everything go Church Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. Big up on yourself and thank you so much, you know, for helping out the elders and today, you know, we give thanks all the time. Dream team, one team. Fishy. Cool it. Eh? Fishy. Fresh water fish. They on the scale.
We have to say she follow up on the program.
Eh? So she can big her up then? Big her up then no? Come, big her up. Big up your sister. Big up your sister. Sister or Georgia?
Yeah.
Come on, big her up. Big up your sister.
I big up my sister in Georgia in New York, Brooklyn, New York. Georgia, stay good. Doctor, daughter, one sister, one blood, one love. Big up on yourself.
See that, Georgia, you have a trying sister. She's not sitting down waiting for anything. Right? She's on the road doing her thing. Plumia! Plumia! One plumia! Alright, yeah?
Yeah, big up.
One plumia! You don't know you for us, sir.
Ever make a mock.
Ever make a mock.
Over there.
Rose. Are you eating mango? We are eating then?
Mango. Much bread?
What if you know if you eat mango?
Much bread?
Extra eat.
Baby, see your friend there. I'm just extra eat.
Later, you're making a mango, you're extra eat and finish it.
Alright.
Getting on the east, yeah. That's the East Indian, extra eat. Extra eat. Nothing sweet like the Indian, right? Rose are rose.
Watch out now, you see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.